let's take a look at the Mac Studio. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Look at... I don't know what it is about new Apple products that just get me so excited, but today is another new Apple day. Okay, Mac Studio. It's a nice box. It even has like a cloth handle. How about that? And the box feels heavier than I thought it would, but you don't care about that, so... Okay. Interesting how this all opens up. How does it go? Am I doing it wrong? I have no idea. Oh, this is so weird. Look at this. Maybe try not to drop it on the floor in like the first 5 seconds. So we've got the usual Apple stuff in there. Let me pull this. Ooh, broke the box. Pull that out. Inside of here, got a nice braided power cord. And is there anything else? Oh, this is cool how they've like put more cardboard under here to like shock mount it, basically. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Well, are those all the things that are in the box? Is that it? Is there more? There's nothing in there. Is that really it? Is it just this? I guess this video just kind of became like a silent unboxing because there really isn't much to say. It is a giant Mac Mini with way more powerful guts. On the backside here, you've got a headphone jack, HDMI, couple of USB, 10 gig Ethernet port, we likey, 4 Thunderbolts on the back, 2 more up front, SD, happy.